On this video, we'll be covering how to test a third-party REST web service using curl command before integrating with BMC Helix ITSM. Curl is one of the most used commands in Linux and Unix terminals to test connectivity to websites, but also to test REST services. So to get more information about curl command, you can type man and curl, and you're gonna get all the information about it. All what you need is here, all the parameters and how to use them. And just for demonstrative purpose, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to consume a REST that is published in an open application. You can find it in bookstore.demoqa.com/swagger/pound. Here you will find the documentation. We have in the bookstore segment this one that is called books. Let's open it. And as you can see, it doesn't receive any parameters, and it returns a list of JSON objects which contains the books with the ISBN, title, subtitle, author, etc. So we can trigger it from here, from the browser, for a web browser. And in order to do that, I'm gonna use this URL. Is bookstore.demoqa.com/bookstore/b1/books. Okay, and let's see what we get. And as you can see, we have received an array of JSON objects with many books and all the information related to each one. But if we don't have access to a browser, and we only have access to a Linux or Unix terminal, we can do the same thing in our terminal. Let me show you how. Let me go back to my terminal. And here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the command curl, the flag -x, the verb or the method get, and now the flag -b. This is verbose to have all the information possible. It's kinda debug mode, and call the same API, okay, or URL. And we have received exactly the same, just is not as well organized. And what we have to look here is if any certificate has been used. In this case, it's not using any certificate. If you are using a certificate, you will get more details here, and if any failure occurs during the handshake or the time to establish the connection, you will see it here. And now we have the response. This is very important. We have an 200 OK, which means that everything went well. If you have something different from the range of the 200, sorry, that means that something went wrong, probably a typo or a data missing or lack of permissions or anything. And here we have all the books, okay? I have prepared a script with different methods of authentication. I'm gonna post it on the knowledge article. This is the one that we have used, the first one, with no authorization. But we also have another one for basic authentication. We have bearer token authentication too, right here. And I have also included JWT authentication, and finally OAuth authentication. and each one contains the comment that you need to send. Okay. Just keep in mind that if you are going to send any header or any parameter, you have to add the minus H flag, which indicates that we have headers, and then the kind of header that you are sending. Okay. I hope you have found this information useful, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.